Right then guys, a little MG, we'll just have a walk round with this one. Nice little car this. Might want a little bit of choke, she is stone cold. And a little bit of gas. There she is, there she goes. Bless her, she's a little bit cold if I can see the choke from here. Oh no, I've knocked it the wrong way. Anyway, there you go guys. She runs, sounds quite sweet in all fairness. Very original underneath the bonnet there. We've got commission plate there for you. And then we've got the main plate. Oh, there we go, there. Both of which I think Jack would have photographed, hopefully. If not, just pause that video and you can read the information off there. And in fact, while we are here, let's whip that off. There you are, there's your engine number. She sounds sweet enough. That engine bay could just do with a bit of a tidy up. Let's fire her up again. But she's stone cold, like I say. So that's the business end. I'll just click that bonnet down and then we can have a look round inside and paintwork and so forth. Nice on the door shuts, door cards, dash area nice and smart, ribbon type speedo. Quite usable little car this. A little bit of faded carpet here and there, which you're going to get obviously because they've been in there a long time. Hey, Radio 1 stickers 275 to 285. Buy, it's going back some, isn't it? And again on this side, again good on the shuts, good on the door cards. Just a real usable little car. Quite attractive in two-tone. I think most of these were, weren't they? Oh, it's nice and tidy in there as well. Not a lot wrong with that, is there? It's everything in there. And then outside, we'll just go around the lower sections first. A little bit of tidying up around the front won't hurt, but it's not as bad as this camera actually is showing there, to be honest. Other than that, down the side. Two relatively easy colours to paint, in all fairness. They're not a difficult colour, are they? They're quite forgiving. But anyhow, hopefully this will give you just a bit of an idea of what we've got. Next step is bob down, have a look, have a chat with the girls, see the paperwork, and go from there. Like the main viewing period is that lead up to the sale, that 10 days, a fortnight leading up to our next auction.